today it's me, Brianna. And
Lorena. And it's me, Wandina.
And today we're gonna do a mermaid tail unboxing. So we already unboxed this. So like the box, so it won't take long.
Yeah.
So let's just move out a little.
Okay.
Okay. So I got the teal. I got this teal color. So we got this teal color. So we got this teal color right here. This teal, and then the tail. Whoops. The tail from Fin Fun. We got it from finfunmermaidtails.com.
And we got this.
The big. It's the model fin. It's the model fin Pro. Can you hold it up?
Sure.
Hold it up and closer. Wait, this way.
Wait,
this way. Here, if you can see, it says Fin Fun. Fin Fun. It says Model Fin Pro, and then it has those wavy things. And then
finfun.com.
We were so excited, and
yeah, we're gonna be putting it on, and this thing is the protector.
tip protectors.
And so it doesn't rip, and it's like rubber. So
rubbery.
Yeah, so then you don't like drown in the water.
Yeah. And when you're on the pool, on the wet hard surface, it doesn't scratch or rip the tail over it. So now we are all gonna wear it, but first we're gonna show you how to put it on.
Okay,
so first,
I know how to put it on.
Wait. Let me just tell them. Okay, wait. So first, the open part of the end of the tail, you
put it in, and then
you have to.
And then after you pull this over
the rubber thing.
You put the rubber thing on the up.
Oops. On the rubber protectors, and then now it has magic.
It's mermaid tail. Okay, I'm gonna go change into the mermaid tail.
Okay, so we will be right back.
Okay,
so we are back. It took so long. She actually got it stuck on the door.
Yeah.
Okay, this is how she looks. Now go flap your tail.
Flap. Oh, that's for sure.
We guys are all size 12.
Yeah. So it fits us.
Yeah.
And now somebody else will be trying it.
Okay, wait.
Instead of pausing the video like right now, we could just
see. Let's just see. You guys are not recording. Yes, we are. He thought we were not recording. Okay, so okay. Tell us what you like.
Tell us what you like
about the tail and
I like it because
we just got it today.
Details and like.
It actually has like realistic scales.
Yeah, and like it looks really nice and
I don't
details and like it looks really real.
Yeah, the tails I don't like
I love this guy.
Are the limited edition ones because they don't have the scales and they don't look realistic like a mermaid.
Yeah. They look kind of like I saw this galaxy one.
Yeah, and it looked really nice, but when you go in the water, it's really bad, and people just think you're just a fake mermaid. But this looks real because they have scales and they have this.
Tickle's actually over here. Okay, now somebody else will try it.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Okay, let's pause the video. See you.
Okay, guys, back.
What do you like about it?
It's so fluffy, and when you do it, there's wind. There's wind. You can actually. Yeah, it does.
Closer.
It people's feet?
No.
It hurts people's feet when you keep
touch it for real life.
No.
Yeah.
No, I don't mean like that. I mean like when you're wearing it. It kind of then after when a person's walking and then you turn your tail like that, it hurts their feet.
Yeah.
I saw that in a video.
Yeah. Okay.
And we're making a video. That was us.
Yeah.
Okay.
What else do you like about it?
Okay. It has so pretty designs. Cause look at the tail. Look at it. See, it has those designs on the tail.
Yeah, look. And it's like when you do this, it's like you're actually like a mermaid.
And look at this. Flip. And look at this.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, guys.
Now
it's Dina's turn. Blondina's turn.
Okay, guys.
Okay, pause the. Okay, we're gonna pause the video.
Very sorry.
Okay, guys, we're back.
And I am mermaid this time. Okay.
Look at the scales. The favorite part I like is mostly about the design and the scales.
Okay, what do you like about it? Space.
What do you like about it?
I need some space to flap my beautiful tail.
I actually want to say something. When I was inside it, and when you put it on, it's actually really comfortable.
Yeah.
And
when you get in the water,
it
it's
doesn't
your feet your feet don't really get wet. So when you step in the sand, your feet don't get all sandy.
And it'll be so fun flapping. Okay, what do you like about it?
This is what I like about it.
We're all gonna have one, but I ordered mine first.
Yeah,
mine is coming in 1 week. And
who's the
hers is coming
in
April.
April.
In April.
Oh, and I really like about it is that I love the scales. It goes like
blue.
Okay. It goes light blue, and then it goes like a turquoise sea color, and then it goes like white blue,
and then it goes dark blue. So turquoise
and then okay, and then this beautiful tail.
It's not even scratched, guys. It's
and what I like about this tail is like the rubber. It makes like this funny sound,
and it's so hard to bend.
Yeah. And
it's good.
And even this, and I really like how the tail goes almost like a flower.
Okay, guys. So she's gonna.
Another thing I like about it.
Okay, last thing.
Now she's gonna take it off. Your body does not get wet. Only your stomach and your arms and your head.
Okay.
Okay,
guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you give a big thumbs up. And we hope please subscribe
to our channel
and comment down below and share with this and comment down below
which mermaid tail would you get
and what color would you have, or do you want to be a mermaid?
Okay, now we're just gonna mermaid ourselves out of here.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye.